The Martin-Gatton College of Ag, Food and Environment is going to be a place where you find your home. You're going to have faculty, instructors, staff that support you. The students are coming in, they're really excited to get involved with other students who have the same interests, same major. They want to join the same type of organization.
I wanted to be around other people who are also in the agriculture industry because I don't have experience in being in agriculture, so I want to be in an environment where I'm around with other people who are also in the same college.
One of the reasons that LLP has higher retention rates is because the students come in and they're joining other orgs, they're joining programs, they're becoming the leaders in those programs.
I'm involved in a lot of things with a lot of people, and I've got to know a lot of people across the college just because I'm in a lot of different departments all the time. We take classes from animal science and plant science and ag engineering and all sorts of other things, so I constantly get to meet new faculty and new professors and just kind of get a little bit of taste of everything.
When I was a freshman, I got an email from the Cafe LLP, and I was like, it'd be really cool to just get along and have one thing that's a common basis to get to know everybody. And then my sophomore year, I became a Cafe LLP peer mentor because I had a really good peer mentor the year before that. She was very encouraging. She was my first friend on campus. So I was like, I really want to do that for incoming freshmen too.
Being in the LLP is going to be kind of that jump start for them to make sure that they are involved and again, kind of find their place on campus. MG Cafe has so many benefits, both academically and socially. You'll really find your place here at UK.